So my top question on the list is the question of asking me, is force flow real? Force flow in Chinese is called 径流. So, is force flow real? Yes, force flow is as real as my physical body. So today I'm going to share with you a simple method so that you can experience what is force flow by doing this experiment. Okay, so first, got a wall, okay? Have a wall there, and if I draw a circle here, then I know this is 0 degree and this is 360 degree, okay? Now, with a loose arm, meaning that from fingertip to shoulder is loose, okay? You place that palm on the wall, okay? Now, with some constant pressure into the wall, you gradually turn your palm, rotate your palm or spin your palm, okay? So in other words, if this is the wall, place the palm there, put the constant pressure there, and rotate or spin this palm, okay? Just a minute, okay, in a minute step, okay? Not like this, but slowly, okay? If you're doing that with this arm is loose, you will feel while you are spinning, okay, or putting the pressure on the wall and spinning, there is something move from your palm back up to your wrist, to your forearm, to your elbow, and up to toward the shoulder. Okay. Okay. That is the force flow. Okay. So in other words, that we put action force while we're spinning, we're pressing the wall, action force into the wall, and there's a reaction force coming back at me. Okay. So that is force flow. Okay, and the path it taken towards my body is the force flow path. As simple as that. Now, if I put the same arm here pressing to the wall, same thing right here. As soon as I lock my joints, okay, my wrist, my elbow, my shoulder. As soon as I lock it, this thing turns like a rod, and you don't see the force flow within it anymore. Okay? So in other words, that if you tense the joints, the force flow path or force flow will be blocked there or hold there. Okay? It will not have force flow. Okay? So test it out. Loose, there's a force flow moving, okay, from the palm to the shoulder. Okay? And if you tense everything, this is like a rod, okay, like you use a rod to grinding into the wall, okay. Feel that feeling, okay. So again, the reason why it's called flow is because actually when you apply the pressure here, whatever the force coming back is not, when you apply here, it's not going to your shoulder immediately. It is going gradually going upward, okay, or inward, okay. So that is force flow and force flow path, okay. Now, so why is this important? Why it is important? Because this is a sophisticated way of handling force within one's body, okay. And when we talk about inch power, this is the basis of it. So for example, you see we just spin the palm, say for 5 degrees. You can see how you manage the force flow in the body. Okay, so that is the inch power, where you have a very small physical move explicitly, but you can move the force a lot. Okay, in the body. Okay, so of course this force flow is not only limited to within the body, it's going to go outward there too. Okay, so this experiment is just like you feel what is the force flow only if we can feel it, we can sense it, we be able to handle it. Okay, so that is the reason for the force flow. Okay, now, so where does this exist in the Wing Chun Kuen? Well, in your Xiu Lim Tao. All those are playing with force flow. It's not like just waving like that, waving the wrist or the joint. No, it is playing the force flow, and actually this force flow is flowing throughout the whole body. It's not just a wrist moving. Okay, so this, as we can see in the Xiu Lim Tao, is there. This is the practicing or training or development of the force flow within the sets. Okay, and where does this come from? Well, this comes from the Mei snake slide worm move technology. Okay, for micro handling of the joints and the physical here. Okay, and the muscle, whatever you want to say, they call it inside there. Okay, it's a micro handling of the physical and handling the force flow. Okay, so that's it. Now at advanced level, if you look at the 1848 era Yit Kum Xiu Lim Tao writing, it said that the force flow, the breathing, and the meridians or the chi flow, they are synchronized together. So the writing is saying that spinning and twisting accord to the breathing and the meridian flow. Okay, that is the writing. Okay, so what is meridian flow? If you get one of this acupuncture dummy, you can see, say for example here, there's a lines there. That is the meridians or the chi flow pathway. Okay, so that flow actually is synchronized with the breathing, and so the force flow, okay, the force flow, the meridians and the breathing, three of them are synchronized together. That is what the technology embedded inside our Xiu Lim Tao. Okay, so it is not like we usually think it's just turning the wrist, or locking the joint and so forth. No, because actually it exists, the meridian, the breathing, and the force flow. And as we can know today, but you can experiment. If you lock your elbow, your force flow will be locked there. Okay, so force flow is real, and hope you enjoy and test it out. Okay, this is as real as a human body, but it is just in the different kind of domain. Okay.